Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Shein account online on your computer and how to start writing. Now to log into your Shein account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address shein.com and hit on enter. And after that will be redirected to the home page of Shein, you can see. And now to log into your account, close at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us over here. Click on that button and kind of a drop down menu will appear. You can see guys, we just clicked on it, we are on the login page of the Shein. So now in order to log into your account, you'll be required to either go manually or with automated login. You can also log into Shein with your Google or your Facebook account. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or your Facebook account will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you will also be signed into your Shein account with the Google or Facebook account. But for a manual login, guys, enter your mobile number, enter your email address or mobile number over here with which you have signed up for a Shein account, and after that enter your password over here, guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can already set it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Shein account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering in your email address and the password, simply click on sign in. Simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you log into your Shein account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your Shein account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.